Hi, I'm Matt.
I'm Chloe.
And this is Dog Diaries, where we're taking you behind the scenes at BrewDog AGM 2024. Chloe, what's it all about?
Loads of beers, loads of bands, loads of really, really good food, all in a day.
It's going to be great. We can't wait to try all of the new beers, see all of the great bands that we've got on, and we thought it's a great opportunity to take you behind the scenes and see what goes into setting up a massive event like this. We're going to chat to some of the staff, we're going to try some beers, just generally have a great time.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's do it.
The BrewDog Annual General Mayhem is our thank you to our equity punks for being our biggest supporters. It's taken many forms over the years, from a small gathering of investors 15 years ago, to an exhibition centre of thousands, to multiple bars worldwide. This year's AGM was our first at BrewDog HQ in over a decade, where we welcomed 2,000 beer-loving equity punks. Let's speak to the man who has a big hand in organising it all.
5 minutes before we open, how you feeling?
Stressed, really stressed.
What goes into setting up AGM? Give it in a sentence or two.
Lots of Excel sheets, lots of planning, lots of timelines, and lots of stress.
Are you excited?
I am very excited.
What beer do you want to try the most?
I'm looking forward to trying Born to Die, and there's also a pilot brewed kit called Blackout, which I've heard is tasting very, very good.
Nice. Go,
Thank
Michael,
you.
go.
Lauren, can we ask you a few questions while you're sorting up now?
Yes, you can.
What goes in setting up a little merch stand? Not little merch stand, a big, massive merch stand.
Getting it all shipped down from Hot Pub, having the lovely staff to come here and help me set it all up this morning. And yeah, massive area this year to get it out to all these lovely people.
Which one's your favourite this year?
The cream natural one, skater t-shirt,
Yeah, done.
skater
Sorted.
style.
Put it here first. Let's go. Thank you, Lauren.
AGM isn't just about fantastic beers, it's about our incredible range of BrewDog distilling spirits and canned cocktails from Wonderland. Martin Dickey hosted tours and tastings throughout the day, and they were amazing. And just outside the distillery, I caught up with our brand new CEO.
Okay, so we are here with brand new CEO, James Arrow. How are you finding your first AGM?
Loving it. It's actually very calm, which I was surprised about. But then it's early still in the day, so we'll see what it's like when we get to 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock. But no, absolutely brilliant. It's great to see lots of our investors here, people having fun, teams are here enjoying themselves. So yeah, loving it.
And why is AGM so important? Why are we still doing it? What's important about it? Why should we be engaging the community?
Yeah, well, I said it in the team brief this morning before we opened up, and I said it's, for us, it's what makes BrewDog. You know, it's the bit that's different. It's brilliant that we can do this. We can host, a mini festival effectively, every year as part of our community, and involve the community in our product, in what we do, get them engaged in how we work as a business. Like, everybody's signing up for tours and tastings, and they're seeing something a bit like, the back of house of our business, and it's brilliant, and they are part of our business, so that's what we want to bring that to life for everyone.
So one last question, have you indulged in any of the beers so far, and if so, what has been your favourite?
Well, I'm actually working as well, because I have my lanyard on, so I can't be drinking, can I? That's the correct answer.
Of course not. Yeah, absolutely.
But you'll be pleased to know that I have had a sneaky try of Born to Die, which I had early, pre-release, shall we call it? Yeah. Loved it. Absolutely beautiful beer. Couldn't believe how good that was. You'd never have known it was that ABV. It was brilliant. And I was just talking to some of the team here, saying I sat through the distillery tour and tasting, and I tried the Ron Bodegas sherry-aged rum, which is beautiful, and it smells amazing. So they're my two highlights so far for today.
Nice. All right, well, when we finish, we'll have to go give it a try. James, thanks very much. Cheers. Have a good one.
The lineup of beers is always fantastic at AGM, and I wanted to find out what it takes to run one of the bars.
Sorry, quick question. You've been running the bar today at AGM. How's it been?
Yeah, it's been great fun. A really good experience.
Yeah,
nice to be here. Great to see you as always.
Thank you very much. What is it like to run the bar? Like, what goes into running an AGM bar?
I think it's just kind of catering to the AFPs, making sure they're happy, making sure they get what they want, get their hands on some nice exclusive beers. But yeah, making sure the team are happy too. It's good fun.
And what's been the favourite beer today?
I think, to be honest, probably the Vault City Staggeringly Good collab, the Staggeringly Stupid. Yeah. It's gone down really well. It did actually ruin all of my clothes, but it's a great beer.
Nice. There you go. Nice one. Cheers, Matt.
Cheers,
Thanks.
mate.
See you later.
One of the highlights of AGM is always the incredible lineup of up-and-coming bands. Chloe stopped in to speak to one of them.
I'm here with the Love Breakers. Guys, you've been playing. How'd you feel? You enjoyed it? What were we saying?
Yeah, all good. Absolutely buzzing. Really loving being here, and thanks for having us. And yeah, we love BrewDog, so it's a pleasure to be here.
Music to our ears. So how did this happen? What happened when you guys playing today?
We played a show in Aberdeen, didn't we, in February, and someone from BrewDog was there, and he was rocking out hard, and he come up to us afterwards. I think he'd had a few too many Elvis juices, and he said, "Oh, I want you guys to play the AGM," and we thought he was messing about, didn't we?
Yeah.
And he took our email address, and then like a few days later, he was like, "Yeah, I was being deadly serious. We want you to come and play the AGM." So here we are. Yeah.
Amazing. Right. So what's next? What's happening?
Yeah, so we're just writing some new music. We're going to be like touring kind of like early next year. And yeah, any more. We're playing 2000 Trees Festival in Cheltenham. That's pretty soon. And then yeah, it'll just be the next kind of cycle for us. So it'll be like new music, new shows, and touring sort of UK and Europe.
Yeah.
So
Amazing. And where can we find you guys? How can we find you on socials?
so on Instagram, if you search Love Breakers Band, we've got a website, lovebreakers.co.uk, with all of our info and shows on. Yeah, on all the other socials like Spotify and iTunes and all that kind of stuff, just search Love Breakers and we're there.
Perfect. Amazing. One last question. Favourite beer of the day?
Favourite beer?
Yeah.
It's got to be the Elvis juice.
Done.
Punk IPA.
So what did you know?
I'm enjoying my wingman over here.
Oh, cheers.
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 AGM 2024 is coming to a close. It's been a fantastic day and a little bit tiring for some of us, but here is the Love Breakers to play us out.
Alright, for BrewDog. Long day in the office is okay, 'cause when I'm clocking out, I know there's never a doubt that I can come in out of the rain and enjoy a hazy Jane. What more can I say? I need a punk IPA. It's BrewDog at the end of the day.